Having HIV is different from having AIDS. When the virus enters the body, you have HIV. However, you don't have AIDS yet. It's only when the virus destroys the body's immune system to the point where the body finds it very difficult to fight diseases that we say you now have AIDS. So, how do you know if you have HIV? Okay, immediately the virus enters the body, you won't be able to know that you have the virus because there will be no signs, no symptoms, and even HIV tests done then will be negative. So you won't be able to know if you have HIV few days after infection. However, in some people, few weeks, say 2 weeks after the infection of the HIV, they will develop some general symptoms like fever, body pain, generalized body weakness, sore throat, and stuff like that. But can we rely on these symptoms to say you have HIV? No, because several other diseases like malaria, common cold present with these symptoms, and so we cannot rely on only these symptoms to say the person has HIV or not. And even HIV tests done this early might not bring out a positive result. It might still be negative. So few weeks after infection with HIV, one might not still be able to know if he has HIV. It may take up to about 2 months or more before we can have a positive test to show that one has HIV. And even at this point, there will be no symptoms, no signs. The person will be living healthy. However, the person will be able to transmit the disease to other persons. And the virus will keep on destroying the immune system to the point where the body finds it very difficult to fight diseases. At this point, we say you have AIDS. So with this understanding, we answer the question again: how do you know if you have HIV? It's simple. You cannot rely on signs or symptoms. You can't start looking at your body to see what you are feeling or what you can see. No, the only thing we can rely on is HIV test. And if it is done few weeks after infection, it will still be negative. So we'll have to wait about 3 months before we can have a reliable result to show if it's positive or negative. So it is very simple. Do your HIV test now and repeat it after 3 months, and keep repeating it every 6 months, especially if you are sexually active. Stay healthy, stay happy, now and always.